Ano ba yan natin? Tagal mo ng boarding. Alam mo, ikaw napaka-impatient mo talaga kahit kailan ka. Napaaga lang tayo ng dating. Mag-boarding din yan. 45 minutes na lang, oh. Ano? Airport crash, 2 o'clock. Ay, baby boy. Ang sheriff. Hoy! I mean, itong spicy wishy prawn crackers kasi. Ang hot. Bagay kayo, babe. Pero parang tambay sa gym. Red flag yung mga ganyan, babe. Yung kausap niya, tignan mo yung kausap niya. Ang cute ng kausap niya. Type na type ko. Ate for the corporate. Oh, bagay kayo. Mga ganyan bitcoin, mga CEO, nagpapa-concert. Ate, ibang CEO yun. Ah, sorry. Daddy? Mga nakshi! Ay, ma'am! Di ang tagal mo. Kanina pa kami dito. Kaloka.
So, how is the plan going? Were either one of you able to charm the young boy?
Hi, Ninang. I think I just did. No, you didn't.
This is for you.
That was an impressive 3-point shot.
Sam 1, Alex 0. I was just trying to keep myself together, but I honestly felt humiliated.
It's alright, my dear. Oh, I enjoy this drama. It's nice to see my goddaughters compete for what they want every now and then.
Mav, babe, can you do a hook shot for me, please?
That's for you.
Sam 2, Alex 0.
Well, I doubt the boy can do a decent behind-the-back shot.
Sam 3, Alex 0. I kind of feel bad for Alex, but like, not really. I mean, the look on her face is priceless. Oh, so sad. Oh my god, okay, calm down. Here it comes. Mav, you are so
Hi, Alex.
Just a dream that
You see all of that? Did that for you.
I never
Sensya tol, akin pala to eh.
Oh my god, yes. I saw all of it. You're so good. Poor Sam. She thought she had it. Do you want to get ice tubig? Let's go. I felt betrayed by my own sister.
I think deserve.
Totoo chismis. Lucky Me Pancit Canton have just released the Casalo pack. I saw the TV commercial and the guy there looked really familiar. But what do you think? Is it really Casalo or Casolo? Ay, ginoo ko. Ang titigas talaga ng ulo. Nakalagay na nga sa pack ng Casalo. Di Casalo. Saka mas masarap yung may cashier day, uy. Hindi gat yan nga ang sinasabi ko sa ayaw. Paano ko ga-arrange si Sherry kung sakto lang ang sakay? Kahit 3 ganira kaya kong ubusin. Dahil makinig ka sa akin. Nagluto ako ng isang ganito kanina para kay GR at sa classmate niya. Nagkasyaman sa kanilang dalawa. 2 ganray ang sabihin mo, you own ang kasalaw. Kain naman. Ay, pastilan. Isa nga lang dahil kasalo na, lalo na itong kalamansi flavor na all-time favorite ko talaga ever since. Isa pa yan. Masyadong pabibi yung flavor mo. Mas masarap aring extra chile. Kung paborito mo talaga yan, edi dapat kaya mong ubusin ng solo kalaang. Nye. Basta kasalo. Kaya sugod na kayo sa nearest grocery. Pag ikaw sinugod ka, makakatikim ka ng mainit na... Calm down, my kumares. Extra hot chile, mare. Mainit na extra hot chile.
Now, both of you have given quite excellent arguments, but I think it is better if we ask them as well. New Lucky Me Pancit Canton Casalo pack. Are you team Casalo or Casolo? Stitch this video for your answer.
come to my attention that the McDonald's fish and fries is back. Only for a limited time. And as an feeling British person, I just simply cannot let this opportunity slide. It has been a while, and so today we're going to see if it's still as good as I remember it. But my dear goodness, would you just look at that fish? See how it is coated to perfection in this golden batter? You have two options for the dip, by the way. We have the tartar sauce and the Thousand Islands. Pwede ba magkamay? Oh, that was crunchy. And the fish inside is soft and moist. No aftertaste. No. And speaking of perfection, I cannot think of a perfect pair other than the world's famous fries. Or chips, as the English would call it. But of course, no matter how perfect this looks, the Pinoy in me is still looking for some rice for a fuller experience. Which is why I think it is brilliant that rice is still an option for your order. The return of the McDonald's fish and fries is available for dine-in, take-out, drive-through, Mac delivery, and other food delivery apps. And it's only here for a limited time, so don't miss out. Try it and let me know what you think.
Nakala ko ba you're craving authentic Chinese hotpot?
Yeah.
Ba't nasa Jiangnan tayo? Di ba Korean niya?
Chinese, what are you talking about?
Di ba nga kasi, Oppa Jiangnan style. Tu. Okay, wale. Friend, wait. Hey, friend, sabaw, anong gusto mo? Kung mag-mild spicy.
Oh yeah, because you like anything Szechuan.
Szechuan, di ba yun yung road sa Baguio?
Szechuan Road? No, that's the winter, spring, summer, fall.
Season.
Yeah!
Just ipasong ka pang ganyan. O beef.
Can you get me Angus?
Angus. Suloy pa rin ang Angus ng buhay.
Agos yon.
Kala mo ikaw lang may pasong. Angus. April, May, June, July.
Angus. August yon? No, that's the what's the Incubus album? Fungus Among Us? Fungus Among Us is their album.
Hirap talaga sabayan ng humor ng friend ko na yan. Nasasabaw ako. Alam mo, friend, magsabaw ka muna para tuminong entry.
Kuya.
Apatı, kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your
Mas masarap yung sauce nila.
That's the Jiangnan signature sauce? Pretty good.
Sarap.
Why aren't you getting the lettuce sauce?
Normally, hinuhuli ko yan eh.
Di ba dapat sa simula yun? Kasi bago mag-start, let us pray.
Ayan. Yan. Maganda na yung joke mo na yan. Naka-recover ka na.
Hindi na ako magtatagal. Kailangan nang maipasa ang lihim ng ating pamilya.
Inang, sinuyod na namin ang ating buong angkan, ngunit wala ni isa ang may gustong magmana ng iyong kapangyarihan. Well, maliban dito kay Francie.
Wala na tayong choice. Iharap niyo sa akin. Iharap niyo.
Hey Lola! Oh my god, let me just tell you, I am so excited for this. Matter of fact, can I do a TikTok live while we do the whole thing?
Ina-live mo?
Yep, my followers are gonna eat this right up. Let me just put this somewhere.
Makinig kang mabuti sa akin. Ang ipapamaan ako sa iyo ay ang walang katumbas na kapangyarihan ng ating pamilya at ng kanilang mga ninono na naon.
Sorry, ano tong suot mo? Oh, thank you so much for noticing. I'm actually serving street fitfluencer, body positive, Gen Z baddie aesthetic. Do you like it? Hindi, kasi may wardrobe branding din kasi tayong sinusunod. Normally, mahabang palda, duster, kamison, tsaka mahabang buhok. Nilda, ay on board mo to pag nasbalipat na ang sisiw. Tuloy tayo.
Iluluwa ko na ang sisiw at kailangan mo itong lunukin habang sinasambit ko ang mahiwagang.
Okay, stop. First of all, walang nagsabi sa akin na kailangan kong kumain ng buhay na sisiw. Second of all, I'm vegan. That's cruelty to animals. If you guys have like a vegan option like tofu, that'll be great.
Wala na tayong oras! Wala ka na magagawa. Ito na ang magiging tadhana mo.
See, this is the problem with your generation. You don't respect boundaries. So you know what? I'm going to remove myself from this toxic situation because it's not serving me anymore. And I'm not going to do it for the plot either. But good luck with whatever this is, though.
Ayun na,
Okay,
sis!
bye.